Hi, this is a quick overview of the lightweight riveting installation tool. Capacity is up to 316 diameter in all materials, aluminium, steel or stainless steel. It has a vacuum system that sucks all the spent mandrel to the back, and the activation of the vacuum system is simply by turning this to the left, and it's working. Let's try some installation. This can also be stopped by pressing that trigger upwards, so that during a break period you do not have to take out the air. When the operator is ready to install, simply press the trigger, pull it down, and it's ready to go. The tool has got a rotatable air supply. It goes to left for left-hander or to right-hander. And to remove this pintail, simply rotate it to the right and you can throw away the spent mandrel. The first click is just to get this attached. No vacuum, but it will work. Second click, vacuum system operating.